Hi guys, in this video we are going to watch review and recipe of BB Royal Pulav Basmati rice. It's a home brand of Big Basket and MRP of this 1 kg pack is 170, but we get it at a discounted price of 131. And the same rice is also available in 500 gram 5 kg bags. I had mentioned two cooking method, open cooking and pressure cooker. We are going to try open cooking. Look at the grains. All grains are full size, white grain, glossy finish. So first, thoroughly wash the rice for 3-4 times. Now rinse and soak the rice for 30 minutes. And boil 5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. In boiling rolling water, add soaked rice. Cook rice for about 8-9 minutes. And if you are cooking by pressure cooker method, rice to water ratio is 1:2. For 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, pressure cook for 2 whistles. Now see, our rice is done, so strain the excess water and wait for 5 minutes. Now look at the rice grain. The texture is tender and it's fluffy. Grain remains separated and non-sticky. They were white glossy before cooking and after cooking. But the only problem there is this rich aroma associated with basmati rice now that is barely there. Grain is extra long. Grain had softened well. So I would recommend these rice grains for pulav, fried rice, jeera rice, ghee rice. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.